What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be trying out a new product that I found out about. It's very subtle, small, that's why I wanted to go ahead and give it a shot. If you guys end up liking it, you can go ahead and buy it. I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below. So basically what I have here today is going to be kind of like a magnet holder. It's supposed to fit on the Tacomas. That's why I was kind of excited about it, because it is really small and subtle. So let's hop in the truck. I'll show you guys how it looks, how to install it onto your phone, and we'll test it out a little bit. So the reason this one caught my eye, alright you guys, so what I have here today is vent grips. So the thing that caught my eye was how small this thing really is. As you guys can tell, this is it. It's super small, it's going to be super subtle, and it looks nice. Whenever you don't have your phone on it, it's not going to be an eyesore, of course. As you guys do know, I used to have like a phone mount that was right here, and that thing was pretty big. It was obstructing my view on this section, and it didn't look right. It started falling apart. This one here, which is from GRIPZ, as I stated, it is very, very sturdy, and it's supposed to fit in your vents here. So the only downside I could see of this is when you do have it installed, which I'll show you how it works right now, you're not going to be able to actually close your vent, and it is going to block it. That's probably the only downside to this actual install, but it's nice. It's super easy to remove, so you could always remove it and then use your vent if you really wanted to do that. So inside the box you get the actual vent GRIPZ clip, which is going to be installed on the vent. I'll show you guys right now how that's done. And then inside there is also a baggie which comes with one magnet or another magnet. So I'm going to be using the bigger one just to ensure this application works well. So you're going to notice right here, actual vent grips. There is going to be two different sizes depending on the vent grip, the vents that you do have on your vehicle. So looking right here, you're going to notice this vent section here is going to be for thicker vents, which is something like mine. Or if your guys' vents are skinnier, you use this section here. As you can tell, the hole is a lot smaller. So the way you do it is basically, whichever way you're gonna choose, you just go ahead and insert it into the vent. It's that simple. So let me do that right now. Just like that. Just kind of push in. Once it's pushed in like that, you basically have your vent grips. It's that simple. So now with the magnet, as I stated, it does come with two different sizes. You could either get the circled one or the bigger rectangle one. I'm going to be using the bigger rectangle one. Just feel like it might work better because it's bigger, but who knows? You know, size sometimes matters. So in the back of here, you're going to notice there is some 3M double-sided tape. So you want to go ahead and peel that off. Super simple sometimes. So once you have it peeled off, on the instructions it says you can either place it outside of your phone case or in between your phone and the phone case. For me, I feel like it'll work if I place it on the outside, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to place it kind of where I'm going to want it, which is probably there. And you want to make sure, of course, to clean off your phone case or phone, whichever you're placing it on, before actually installing this. You could go ahead and do that by using some alcohol wipes or just alcohol and a microfiber towel. Once you place it, just give it some firm pressure. After doing so, let's give it a test. So as you can tell, there you go. It works. So I'm going to go ahead and drive around a little, see if it falls or not. So let's do that now. I'm going to go ahead and give this a test. As you can tell, it is secured on now. A cool thing, as I stated, it's not big, it's very subtle, and your phone kind of looks like it's in place right there, versus having those amounts kind of like I stated that I used to have. And I am testing this off-road. As you can tell, we are off-road, we're not on a paved road. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of test. I'm gonna give it some speed. Let's see what happens. All right, so we just jumped the truck, and as you can tell, it did not fall. I feel it's good so far. I'm gonna keep giving it a little run right now. I'll get back to you guys in a couple seconds. I hope you recorded that. We're testing this out. The cool thing is you can actually place this on any vent. So if you have a passenger with you, you can place it over there on that side for them. You can place it on your driver's side over here. To take it off, you do have to pull pretty hard. So now I still feel the air, because I know someone's gonna ask. I can still feel it, But if you feel it's obstructing it too much and you're not using your phone, you can always just kind of pull it off and it comes right off that easy. And if you want to put it back on, same thing, you just kind of slide it on. Let me pull over before I crash into something. So same thing, to put it on, you just go ahead and slide it over like that. I'm using 2 hands just to ensure that it gets placed right. And then same thing, you could tell the magnet's there. I'm gonna put it back on and that's it, we're good to go. You could put it like this, you can put it like this. Either way, it's gonna work and it's not gonna fall. So if you do want to purchase this one, it's going to be in the description box below. So I know it was a super short video. This wasn't really like an install video or anything. I just wanted to show you guys this cool product that I found. And as you guys saw, I mean, it does hold on. I did give it a good test. We did do this trail. It is a very bumpy one. Kind of jumped the truck a little bit. The phone did not fall. So if you guys are looking for a cool little vent kind of grip or just something different that's nice and subtle for your vehicle, it does fit many other vehicles, not just Tacomas. You can go ahead and purchase it. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Just kidding.